Hi everybody, hope you're doing okay. For today's drawing, I wanted to focus on a specific shape, a three-dimensional shape, and we're going to be doing a lot of cylinders. So when I talk about a cylinder is anything like this. This is my water bottle. This is a cylinder. It has a round bottom and top, and then straight sides, more or less, I guess, for my water bottle. Now when we look at this in 3D, let's look at the bottom. That was a circle. When I look at it like this, that shape I don't see a circle anymore, even though it is a circle. Now what I'm looking at is more of a foreshortened circle or an oval. The word foreshortened just means the way we're looking at it has changed. It's kind of squished it. So if we were drawing it, I would say maybe draw a foreshortened circle, or I might just say draw an oval. And so if I draw that oval, something like that, I draw the straight sides on it, going down. And then at the bottom, I don't want to do a straight line. I want to copy that same curve that we see at the top. And so there, I have a cylinder. And we could turn this into all kinds of stuff. We could add a handle and make it into a coffee cup. We could add like a little thing in here, make it into a water ball or a can of pop, or everybody's favorite thing right now, we could turn it into a roll of toilet paper. So that's a cylinder. Now I'm gonna flip my paper over. You don't have to draw any of that stuff. And I'm gonna make a drawing on here of something else that is a cylinder, and it's marshmallows. It's getting to be marshmallow season for making s'mores and things like that. So I wonder how many of you know how marshmallows are made. I'll let you figure out how that's done. You can look it up and tell me how to make marshmallows. I'm gonna pretend they come from outer space. So let's draw a couple marshmallows right here. I'm gonna draw my marshmallows as if they are in a spaceship. Now I've got one marshmallow. Let's put them up here. I'll draw that oval, and we're gonna do a bunch of these. And I'll draw the straight sides. Cool. And then I will put a curve on the bottom. Nice. Now my marshmallow is going to be alive. So I'm gonna give him some eyes. There's one, there's the other. There's its pupils, nice. And you can give him some hands. So here's his two arms and just some fingers. I don't get too crazy. I mean, marshmallows don't have fingers, so I just kind of do a bunch of loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like we have. And maybe here's his legs. 2 legs, just like the arms. A couple little potatoes down here for feet. Now mine, he's gonna be, his mouth's open. I think he's worried about something. Now we'll find out what he's worried about later on. I'm gonna make some other marshmallows down here, and I'm gonna put them inside of a little spaceship. So lightly, I'm gonna draw an oval. That's not a marshmallow. That's gonna be where the inside of our spaceship or our UFO. So I'm gonna draw 3 marshmallows sitting inside here. So I'm gonna draw all 3 ovals, or all 3 cylinders, kind of at the same time. So there's 1, 2, and maybe 3 right there. And they can be kind of, this one's going at an angle a little bit. So I have 1, 2, 3 ovals, and then I'm gonna do the sides all at the same time. So from each of the edges, line down, line down. Do it on one of these other ones. Line down, line down. And you see when I draw those lines down, they are stopping where I drew that kind of light oval. That was kind of just my guideline to show that they're sitting inside of this spaceship. There was my other ones. Now I'm gonna go ahead and darken that so you can see it a little bit better maybe. Get an idea what's happening. So it looks like those ovals are coming out of, or those cylinders are coming out of that oval. Let's go ahead and do all their eyes. So I'm gonna do them all at the same time. Here's one, he's got 2 eyes. and he's looking right at us. Here's another one. And maybe he's looking at that guy kind of over there. Here's another one. And he is looking up at something, so we can kind of give them all different things. Maybe this guy is smiling. This guy, it's gonna give him kind of a straight mouth. Maybe this guy's got kind of a wiggly mouth. Now, I always say the eyebrows tell you all the emotions. Now, I gave him kind of scared eyebrows. They're kind of leaning out. Maybe this guy, he's got regular happy eyebrows. I don't know what he's happy about necessarily. This guy, maybe he's worried too. He's got that kind of weird shaped mouth. And this guy looks happy, but you know, we can change that. If I give him these kind of pointy eyebrows going down towards the middle of his face, now he looks kind of sneaky because he has these angry eyebrows, but he's got a smile, so it makes him look sneaky. Let's draw their spaceship. So I have this oval, that's the inside of the spaceship. I'm gonna draw another oval kind of going around. It's gonna make like this flying saucer type shape. Couldn't quite fit it all on the paper, but you get the idea there. And I'm gonna put maybe some circles on here, or these could be lights or things like that. What else do we need? Oh, we want them to be able to breathe, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a bubble around them so they're inside their spaceship and they can breathe in there. Oh, maybe this guy needs a bubble too. He's just gonna be like completely in a bubble. Now he's floating away in outer space, and that might not be the best idea. So let's draw a like a cord that's attached to him. So I'm gonna maybe make it loop behind and kind of swirl a couple of times. And he's connected to our spaceship. If you want, you can double that so it looks thicker. Cool. Kind of goes behind itself, wraps around. Whoa, I got a little skinny there. It's okay. Cool. And I think what's happening is they are making s'mores, and I think this is his evil plan because this guy is getting very close to this sun. He's getting very hot. Maybe even he's starting to like crisp up a little bit on the edges. I can take my pencil and kind of lightly shade him in. He's starting to get toasted. I'm toast. Maybe he says that. I'm toast. I always write the words first and then I'll draw a bubble around it. So he's getting closer and closer to the sun, and it seems like this guy, they kind of see what's going on here, but we need something else. When we make s'mores, you need to have some graham crackers and some chocolate. So I'm gonna draw maybe like out of this hole here came the cord. Maybe out of this one, I'm gonna draw a cannon. So we're gonna draw another cylinder. So I'm gonna draw that oval. And then the sides are gonna be going back down into that hole. So mine is gonna have to get smaller and smaller until it fits inside that hole. I can kind of shade in my cannon here at the end. And this isn't like a cannon for shooting anything crazy, unless you think that graham crackers are crazy. So I can draw these graham crackers and put the little dots on them. I can call this, oh, we need the chocolate, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna draw some more rectangles. I like to make them going different ways and different sizes. And so somehow, this is how s'mores get made in outer space. And I can write that on here. The s'more 1000. So that's the cannon they're using to make this. So it looks pretty good. If you want to go through, you can give them hands. You can do different stuff like that. Maybe this guy, he's got his hands on this lever right here. He's like, I'm going to make 1,000,000 s'mores out of my worst enemy, that guy. But I think it looks pretty nice. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you make some s'mores soon. It's getting nice out, and it's a good time to get outside and make some s'mores around a campfire. Awesome. I hope you ladies like this drawing. I hope you're all doing really well at home. And I hope we get to see you soon. All right, guys. See you later.